So now we're gonna learn some terminal tips and tricks to improve our productivity and to become way more efficient and probably even compared to our older colleagues. For example, if we see that our terminal is overloaded with different info we would like to get rid of, we can do it by clear command. We type clear and press enter. So we can see our terminal is clean now. And there is a hotkey for this command as well. We're going to create some mess here again to demonstrate it. Then we press Ctrl L and we can see the same result as after clear command. But in fact it doesn't really clean anything, because we can scroll the result back after this command and all the previous commands are back on our screen, huh? The next useful hotkey is Ctrl U, which helps us clear everything to the left from cursor. Let's type some long line and then press Ctrl U. Once again, look, if we place the cursor somewhere in the midst of the line and then press Ctrl U, we only get rid of the left part of the text. To clear everything to the right from the cursor, we press Ctrl key. So Ctrl U clears text to the left, Ctrl key clears text to the right. One more useful command for cases like these is reset. It can help us fix the screen output when it gets a little bit broken. For example, when we outputted some specific non-displayable file symbols. So reset, enter, and our terminal look is as fresh as new. Now we will take a look at different options to find help for our commands. The first way is typing what is before the required command, like what is clear. This always shows us one line description for the command. Now we can read that clear command is used to clear the terminal screen. Or what is history, to show one line help for history command. Or what is reset. The other option is help command, like help history. This way we see more detailed description of the command. Or help cd, to see some info about cd command. One more way to show command description is -- help option typed after command, like history -- help. As well, there is man command, which is, by the way, a reduction for the word manual. So if we type man clear, for example, then we will see the most detailed description for the clear command. We're gonna scroll down here because there is a lot of text. To exit this help page, we can press the Q button on the keyboard, which is hinted at the screen bottom, by the way. Also, I would like to draw your attention to the letter case importance in Linux. So we type commands only in lowercase. You can see that man command in uppercase won't work. We can see the error text command not found, while man in lowercase works just fine. Similar to the man command, there is info command. You can use this one searching for help as well. If we forget a certain name of the command we want to use, then we can start typing its name, the part that we remember at least, and then press tab key twice. Like this. We type hi for history and then tab. And now we can see options that our terminal offers us for the commands starting from HI symbols. And the last option we're going to take a look at is apropos command, which can be useful for the case when we forgot the exact name for some command. Like this, apropos his. Enter, and then we see all the available similar looking commands. We have already used the history command, so let's talk about it in detail. This command allows us to look back at the list of the commands we recently used. As one of the history command arguments, we can use a number. which means limitation of the commands we want to see, like history 5 or history 10, so that we see only the required number of recent commands. As you might have noticed, every line in history command output starts with a number. This number can be used to address certain command from this list. We can do it using exclamation mark. For example, exclamation mark 37 to run the 37th command again, which is man clear command, to bring out to the screen manual for the clear command. Remember the Q key to get back to the terminal command line. One more case to use history is the double exclamation mark command. Using it, we can run the previous command. Also, we can use exclamation mark like this. Exclamation mark -6 to run the 6th command from the tail of the list. In our case, this is gonna be man clear. And here it is. If we want to search within the history of used commands, we can press Ctrl R and start typing needed command. The terminal will then show us available options. We press Tab to use the chosen one and the command gets run. Let's take a look at a few more tricks with history. We can clean commands history by typing history-c. Then we will output actual history and find nothing that was there before. Now we're gonna run some random commands to create new history. Check it out. Here it is, brand new. There is a possibility to hide some command from history. Ordinarily, every executed command goes to history. Like we run ls and then can find it in history. But if before execution of some command we put a space in front of it, then it will not go to history. See that cd/ command hasn't been written down in history. This is how this trick works.